Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Marzocco Linea Mini Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work. We had to replace the board, this one that you see right here. We also had to replace the O-ring from the brew boiler. We had to service the brew boiler as well, completely drain the boiler itself, check the gaskets, inspect them, clean it. We had to replace this one on top of the brew boiler. We also back flushed it multiple times, descaled that boiler, and tested with the case open just to see if there were any more leaks, and we didn't find anything. We descaled this machine. We descaled the steam boiler of the machine as well, run a bunch of descaler through it, run a bunch of water. We drained it completely all the way. We took the case out, drain it, refill it back again, drain it once again, and then refill it back again. So yeah, we did a lot of work. Plus we also replaced the gasket of the machine as well as the shower head of the machine. So yeah. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this espresso machine. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Gonna stop it right there. Espresso shot a little bit fast. I should have tempered a bit better, but we still got a nice crema layer on top of that espresso shot. Flow coming out from the brew boiler is a nice steady stream, working excellent, working great. Steam for this machine works really well, powerful as you can see. No leaks or anything, working excellent. And hot water, nice and clear, nice and hot, excellent flow. So there you have it, La Marzocco Linea Mini working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.